Hey guys, welcome back to another video. At first I would like to thank you guys for the support which you guys shown for the Capgemini video. Thank you. It means a lot to me. Yeah, back to this video. In this video I'm going to talk about the exam pattern for Accenture for the 2022 batch. The exam mainly has 3 rounds. The first round is cognitive and technical assessment, the second one is coding one, and the last one is communication test. These 3 rounds are like elimination rounds, so you have to score a cutoff marks to reach the next round. And the round 1 has 90 questions and the 90 minutes will be given, so you can expect questions from numerical ability, logical reasoning, English ability, and from the technical section you can expect questions for like pseudocode. A small piece of code will be given and you have to solve the code and predict the solve for the output, a or a will be given, then you have to solve for b, like that. And you can expect questions from basic MS Excel, like what is a cell and what are the shortcut keys in the MS Excel. And the question from networking you can expect like what is a TCP UDP, what is a IP address or a MAC address. So yeah, and also I'm gonna share some questions from the test itself, which was held on 18th of August. Yeah, you can see on left hand side pseudocode is a question from pseudocode. The right side it is a question from verbal ability. Pause the video, take a screenshot, you can solve it later. Yeah, the next slide you can see the questions from pattern and the same logical reasoning 19th question, and same from flow chart questions, and the right hand side charts and graphs question, same aptitude questions. These are the actual questions which were asked on 18th of August, so there are chances they might repeat. You pause the video, take a screenshot, solve it later, practice. Yeah, another question from flowchart, another questions of aptitude question. Yeah, these both are for pseudocode questions. You can see A, B, and the left hand side you can see A, B, C values are given, and some equations is given like A equal to B plus C. You have to evaluate all the given equation and you have to print what is the value of A, B, and C. And the right hand side same, A value and B value is given, equation is given, you have to solve that and go through the code, perform the right steps and predict the output. Yeah, when it's come to second round, you have to write a code. You can write the code in the language like C, C++, .NET, Java or Python. Mainly in the exam they are giving 2 questions and 45 minutes of time. So yeah, this is the first question which was asked on 18th of August. Elevator question. This is a question is given, question description is given, and the right hand side the sample input and the output are given. Pause the video, try to write a code, they might get repeat. And this is the question to binary tree combinations. Yeah, that question description is given, sample input, sample output are given. You have to write a piece of code for this. So this is also as a elimination round. You have to score a cutoff marks to reach the next round, the next round which is round 3, which is a communication test. In this there are no sections, as this is purely to judge your communication skills. An audio will be given. You have to listen to the audio and you have to select the right answer for the given questions, or you have to read out some sentences which will be given. And you might also get questions like to write antonym, synonym of this a particular word, like that. It's a purely to judge your how good are you in your communication skills. 20 questions will be there and 20 minutes will be given. Yeah, that's all about Accenture exam. If you guys learned something, please hit this like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe for more videos. And if you haven't already watched the Capgemini video, then I will I will put the video somewhere on the screen. Yeah, right side or the left side of the screen. Please watch that also. And I have also discussed the questions which were asked on 23rd of August also for the Capgemini exam. Thank you guys. Thank you.